First, I'm going to open up a new account with the software. This is the same software you're going to receive at the end of this video. Now, I'm making my deposit of $250 so you can see how even someone with a small budget can make over $13,000 in 24 hours. Let's click on Auto Trade now to let the software trade the Bitcoin market hands-free. I'm going to leave the software on Auto Trade and we can check the balance again later on. As we wait, let me remind you that within the next 48 hours, I'm going to speak to 25 more people to give them the opportunity to join me. Each of these people are guaranteed to have over $13,000 in their accounts within the next 24 hours, and that's all after just 3 simple clicks. As I mentioned, this software really does run on autopilot. In case you're wondering, everything we do is 100% legal and 100% ethical. I have absolutely nothing to sell you today. What I'm looking for is a few long-term clients like you. Our members are cashing in from all over the world, all by activating the account you're about to do right now. Okay, so here we are again. It's been 3 minutes. And as you can see, we've only been gone for a few minutes and the balance has already ballooned to $360. That's a $110.43 profit in under 3 minutes. So let's come back in 24 hours so you can see the life-changing profits you can make with your very own eyes. All right, we're back, and in the past 24 hours, the balance climbed to insane heights. We're at a staggering $14,830.44. Let's click here to look at the trade history. As you can see, the trades were almost all wins. There were only 3 losses. That's why it's called the world's most consistent trading software. It trades at an unheard of 99.4% accuracy, which means it's virtually impossible to lose. Time is running out, so I won't keep you much longer. So let me explain very carefully what you need to do next. All you need to do to get started right now is to fill out the information on this page. Our team will take care of things from there. We work for you.